Welcome to today's English lesson. In this video, we'll be learning 30 important tools and equipment that are commonly used in everyday life. Whether you're fixing something at home, working on a construction site, or just curious about how these items are used, this video will help you learn the names, pronunciation, and usage of each tool in clear and simple sentences. Understanding these tools is not only useful in the workplace, but it can also improve your everyday conversations and help you describe situations more accurately. Each word will be followed by a practical example so you can see how the word fits naturally into a sentence. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident identifying and talking about tools like hammers, screwdrivers, drills, and more. Get ready to expand your vocabulary and become more comfortable using English in real-world settings. Make sure to take notes and practice along the way. Let's get started. Repeat after me. Hammer. Hammer. Example: I use a hammer to fix the broken chair. I use a hammer to fix the broken chair. Repeat after me. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Example: he needs a screwdriver to tighten the screws. He needs a screwdriver to tighten the screws. Repeat after me. Wrench. Wrench. Example: she used a wrench to repair the bicycle. She used a wrench to repair the bicycle. Repeat after me. Drill. Drill. Example: we need a drill to make holes in the wall. We need a drill to make holes in the wall. Repeat after me. Saw. Saw. Example: the carpenter cuts wood with a saw. The carpenter cuts wood with a saw. Repeat after me. Pliers. Pliers. Example: pliers are helpful for bending wires. Pliers are helpful for bending wires. Repeat after me. Tape measure. Tape measure. Example: he measured the table with a tape measure. He measured the table with a tape measure. Repeat after me. Level. Level. Example: we use a level to make sure the picture is straight. We use a level to make sure the picture is straight. Repeat after me. Chisel. Chisel. Example: the sculptor shaped the stone with a chisel. The sculptor shaped the stone with a chisel.
Thank you for being a part of the nature and science community on YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your comments are essential in helping us make better videos.
Repeat after me. Utility knife. Utility knife. Example: a utility knife is used to cut cardboard boxes. A utility knife is used to cut cardboard boxes. Repeat after me. Sander. Sander. Example: she used a sander to smooth the wood. She used a sander to smooth the wood. Repeat after me. Paintbrush. Paintbrush. Example: he used a paintbrush to paint the walls. He used a paintbrush to paint the walls. Repeat after me. Ladder. Ladder. Example: we need a ladder to reach the ceiling. We need a ladder to reach the ceiling. Repeat after me. Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Example: he carries bricks in a wheelbarrow. He carries bricks in a wheelbarrow. Repeat after me. Shovel. Shovel. Example: they used a shovel to dig a hole in the ground. They used a shovel to dig a hole in the ground. Repeat after me. Rake. Rake. Example: the gardener uses a rake to gather leaves. The gardener uses a rake to gather leaves. Repeat after me. Pickaxe. Pickaxe. Example: miners use a pickaxe to break rocks. Miners use a pickaxe to break rocks. Repeat after me. Hoe. Hoe. Example: she uses a hoe to break up the soil in the garden. She uses a hoe to break up the soil in the garden.
Thank you so much for watching up to this point. It's important to take regular breaks to keep your mind fresh and focused. Now would be a great time to pause the video, stand up, and stretch your body. Maybe take a short walk around the room, or do some light exercises to get the blood flowing. Afterward, why not enjoy a nice cup of coffee or tea to recharge before we dive back into the lesson? Take your time and come back when you're ready.
Repeat after me. Trowel. Trowel. Example. The mason spreads mortar with a trowel. The mason spreads mortar with a trowel. Repeat after me. Welding machine. Welding machine. Example. The welder joins metal pieces with a welding machine. The welder joins metal pieces with a welding machine. Repeat after me. Chainsaw. Chainsaw. Example. The worker cuts trees with a chainsaw. The worker cuts trees with a chainsaw. Repeat after me. Flashlight. Flashlight. Example. He needs a flashlight to see in the dark room. He needs a flashlight to see in the dark room. Repeat after me. Safety goggles. Safety goggles. Example. Always wear safety goggles when using power tools. Always wear safety goggles when using power tools. Repeat after me. Gloves. Gloves. Example. He wears gloves to protect his hands while working. He wears gloves to protect his hands while working. Repeat after me. Toolbox. Toolbox. Example. She keeps all her tools in a toolbox. She keeps all her tools in a toolbox. Repeat after me. Laptop. Laptop. Example. I use a laptop to check emails and make reports. I use a laptop to check emails and make reports. Repeat after me. Printer. Printer. Example. The printer is used to print important documents. The printer is used to print important documents. Repeat after me. Stapler. Stapler. Example. She uses a stapler to bind the papers together. She uses a stapler to bind the papers together. Repeat after me. Clipboard. Clipboard. Example. The manager uses a clipboard to take notes during the meeting. The manager uses a clipboard to take notes during the meeting. Repeat after me. Measuring wheel. Measuring wheel. Example. The construction worker uses a measuring wheel to measure distances. The construction worker uses a measuring wheel to measure distances.